So on the side of this house here, got some trees, some shrubs. So next year, this job's going to be more difficult. These shrubs are going to grow up higher. It's going to be harder to get to the rain gutters. And you actually want 3 feet of breathing ground from the wall on out. So you can see that riser right there, that's not good. Definitely don't want moisture against the house because it's going to attract subterranean termites. Any trees like this, rats, mice, rodents can climb up there, get on the roof and actually chew themselves through any wire meshing up top and get into the attic. You can YouTube that, get more information. So thank you for viewing. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll post some more videos.